Hi friends, this week we're talking about nursery rhymes, and this is one called This Little Piggy, but it's a little different than just the one you do on your toes. So let's find out what's different about this one. Nice orange inside. Well, this little piggy. This little piggy went to market. This little piggy stayed home. This little piggy had roast beef. This little piggy had none. This little piggy cried, wee, 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 all the way home. But, this big word says but, B-U-T. On the other foot, this little piggy sold hot dogs. This little piggy loved paints. This little piggy built a spaceship and flew out to outer space, where he found a planet of green jelly creatures that taught him how to eat Martian marshmallows and play gravity tag, catch asteroid beetles. He started a successful robot repair shop, and on days off, he rode the solar slides, wee, 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 all the way down. All of the crazy piggies made the market visiting, roast beef enjoying, wee wiggling piggies want to do fun stuff too. So, S-O, this little piggy had a costume party, and this little piggy chewed gum. This little piggy raced go-karts, and this little piggy played drums. This little piggy was secretly Super Toe, the world's greatest superhero. Faster than a racing car, he could blow out a birthday candle from a mile away and fly high above the clouds. Once, he saved the leaking tugboat with a super bubble. And when a giant smelly sock, ooh, stinky, attacked the city, the Super Toe used tickle power to send the tee-hee-hee all the way home. Look at that stinky sock. Which is why now all the little piggies are just totally tired out and really want to go to sleep. So, this little piggy reads stories. This little piggy brushes his teeth. And this little piggy goes zoo, all the way to sleep. The end. What a fun little story. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye, friends.